Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Santosh Abadi. This is episode 2 of Motovlogging Guide. In the previous video, I showed a few things that you need to take care of while using GoPro. Click on this card here to check that out. And in this one, I'll be showing different ways to mount your Insta360 camera along with the results. So let's get started. The first type of mount that I want to talk about is handlebar mount. As the name itself suggests, you can mount your camera on the handlebar and it records everything that's happening around you. You can show yourself riding, bending the bike around the corners, and you can also show what is in front of you with this mount if that is interesting. You can also bring the camera in the center and use the timeshift feature of Insta360 app along with the motion blur to create cool effects. For the next mount, you need an invisible selfie stick. I'll add the link in the description for this. And this is one of my favorite POVs. So once you have a handlebar mount and invisible selfie stick, you can attach the selfie stick to the handlebar mount. Make sure that the stick and mounts are tightly screwed. And then bring it in front of your bike. And mount your Insta360 camera. Make sure that the stick is 90 degrees and the lens is clean. If the stick is not 90 degrees, then the selfie stick won't be invisible. It will show in the camera, video. And then start recording. And the result will be like someone else is recording you from the front of your bike. And you can also adjust the selfie stick in different angles and show different POVs of yourself riding the bike. For the next POV, you can use this same setup and move the selfie stick to your side and then start recording, and this angle will show you from the side. And if there is a good scenery on one of your side, right, then you can move the selfie stick to the other side and show yourself riding along with the scenery. For the next one, you will need a clamp mount. The link is added in description. So this mount will clamp on any flat surface. So you can clamp it to your bike's rear rack and then attach the selfie stick to it. Mount the camera and start recording. So this angle will give a third person POV to your riding. It's like you're riding a bike in a game. this clamp mount is actually very handy. You can clamp it anywhere you like and even mount the camera directly to it and start recording. The results will be like this, and you can get creative and use it anyhow you like. So that is all the mounts that I have used so far. Before we end the videos, you might have a few questions like why do we need two cameras? Is one camera not enough? So to answer this, if you show only one POV in your videos, it might become monotonous and get boring at some points. But you can actually show multiple POVs using single camera. So yeah, it's not necessary to have two cameras. You can use a single camera to show multiple angles. And other questions are like if I can go for single camera, shall I go for a regular action camera or a 360-degree camera? So in usual cases, getting a 360-degree camera is better as it can also be used as regular camera. The only drawback here is it needs more time and storage, as you have to find the best angle and then extract videos in consumable format before you can actually use them. And in Insta360 accessories are comparatively a little costly than regular cameras. Otherwise, 360-degree cameras are actually very handy. If you are a solo traveler and you want to record yourself, the app also has object tracking, which is very helpful if you are going solo and you want to record yourself. And if your sole purpose is motovlogging, right, then it's better to go for X series. The one I have is 1RS and it is very bulky. Also, make sure to keep your lens always clean, otherwise the result will not be very good. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys found it useful. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedbacks, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you're new, and share it with your friends. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.